Okay, so welcome back. Today I'll be taking you through how to use AI, and the AI we are going to be using is the ChatGPT. And like I said in the class, you can use any other AI, but I prefer ChatGPT. So when you open your Chrome browser, you type this chat.openai.com/chat. Then you log in or you sign up. If you don't have account with them, you log in or you sign up. So after you finish logging in or signing up, you will see your account here has been set up. So you can upgrade or you can use the free one. You can also go on your Play Store or your iOS store to download it. Make sure it has this logo that you're seeing here. That's the one you should download. So now this AI can virtually do everything for you, right? You can do everything, right? So let me start like this, right? There's I have an idea of business, right, that I want to do, but I don't know how to go about it and everything. I don't know the name, I don't know anything about the business. Okay, let's say I want to start selling cashew nuts, right? So I can start um uh, right having a conversation with AI like this. My name is Samuel Shola and I am based in Abuja, Nigeria. Right? Okay. So I've given it the background that I've given my name, I've given my location, right? So I now said I want to start a cashew nut business, both online and physical. Suggest a unique company name and also business plan, right? So I've given this breakdown, I've given what I want, and this is the kind of business I want to do. This is the location and everything. So I will just press enter and to start suggesting for me. So you get so business name ideas that are unique. Not Fresh Nigeria, Kaju Craze, Kaju Republic, Abuja North, Shola's Not Works. You see, they have suggested a lot of names for me. So this is the business plan, right? Then you have the target market. It's telling you the targets, right? The vision, the mission, then the products to sell. Plain raw cashew, roasted, salted, and all cashew butter, cashew milk. Then these are your target audience: working class, health conscious buyers, supermarket and stores. So business models: direct sales, online, subscription, box supply, market plan, both offline and online. So it has given me practically everything. See startup requirement and the amount I need to start with. These are the operation plans, the revenue streams, the competitive advantage, the next steps for you to take. So choose and register your business, design your logo, secure supplier, and you see breakdown of next to do. You look at it's not suggesting to you if you like a logo, flyer, Instagram bio, a simple website, or a full investor ready pick. I can help you to create those next. Would you like me to design your logo and packaging mock-up? Right? I will now say yes because I want you to do this for me. Then just watch and see. So look at the logo design. This is what it should take. Packaging style. Once I have that, so it's not asking you for your color reference, preference. Sorry. Then the style that you want and the elements you want to include. Then for packaging info, for the mockup, the package size and all, WhatsApp number and everything. So with this information you provided, it's going to generate a custom logo for you, a sample product packaging, and a brand look you can use for social media flyers and all. So you can now give um, the details or information to the AI and it start generating these things for you one by one. So you see now, so from business name suggestion to business plan and everything that you need. So but if you have a budget already, right? So I can now tell the AI and say, okay, I have a budget of 10 million naira. I want by 12 months I should have profit of 20 million naira. Then do a breakdown for me. It's going to break it down again for you, right? So you can just read it carefully, remove the ones you don't want, add the ones you don't want, and boom, your business will start thriving. So you can come back here and per success or per failure you have, you can still engage with the AI, and it will be giving you different solutions and all. So another thing that you can also do with this AI is, let me open another chat, right? So you can also create a CV. So I can say my name is Samuel Shola, a graduate of electrical engineering, right? So create a CV for me with over 3 years of experience, and I have worked with Gold Mine Co, Food Lab Ltd, Michelle Cooperation. So I will now list the companies I have worked with. So this AI will now generate a full CV for me. So I can tell the AI the format I want. I can say I want Germany format. I can say I want US format. I can say I want any other format. And it's going to generate it for me. So I can go on like this. So if I just press enter, you see to just generate the CV for me. You see now, generating CV for me. Result driven electrical engineer with over 3 years hand on blah 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 blah. Core skills, you see. Listed everything, work experience. You see, good mind, food lab, trainee electrical engineer. So it's just generated, look at certifications, reference, and all. Generated a full CV for me. So I can now copy this CV, take it to Microsoft Word or take it to Google Doc and convert it to PDF or put it in PDF format, and that's all. And again, you can also make it to, so and also you can make it you can convert it to PDF. So if you check here, say would you like this a Word or PDF format? Then you say yes, and that's all you get, and you're done with the CV, right? So you can also do this CV and be selling to people, right? A lot of people need CVs, a lot of people need a lot of things. You can generate this, and that's all. So my name still remains Dikin Shirley. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.